Lanbeisite e-writing board is a new kind of scientific and eco-friendly product, which could perfectly replace the traditional blackboard or whiteboard. No consumables, green and healthy, energy-saving, intelligent storage. All these features bring you a different feeling for writing. Lanbeisite e-writing board perfectly solves the dust pollution problem. You can write with any hard object on the board, which realizes no consumables and its true sense. The displaying principle of the e-writing board is based on the external light reflection, no electromagnetic radiation, eyes are not fatiguable, no irritant at all. Intelligent pressure sensing simulates real writing. High contrast ratio makes the writing marks on board be visible from 30 meters away. Ultra-wide visual angle makes it clear to see from any corner of the room. One button erasing replaces manual writing. Simple to operate. Besides, selective erasing is also available. Each point on the board could be erased repeatedly for 100,000 times. With instant saving and synchronous transmission, the writing could be automatically generated and saved to devices such as mobile phones, laptops, supplying convenient electronic notes for checking anytime and anywhere. The successful development and manufacturing of Lanbeisite e-writing board will change the writing pattern on traditional blackboard and whiteboard, which has an epoch-making meaning in the teaching history.